Hey y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. We are back again this week to show you another collection of our containers and give you their dimensions, wax capacity, and our wick recommendations. This week we are showing you our collection of Libbey Tumblers. Now we have two different styles. We have the HB Rocks, which that's what we have here, these three, and we carry this in an 8 ounce, an 11 ounce, and a 13 ounce. And then we also have this more flared container. This is the old-fashioned HB Rocks, and this is a 13 ounce. And then we have this straight-sided universal tumbler, and this is 8.25 ounces. And as you can see, it has a very thick glass. This is a very sturdy, heavy-duty container. If you're worried about breakage, this is a really good container to go for because it is a little bit more sturdy and durable. Now obviously these are all going to virtually have different diameters and need different size wicks, so let's get right to it. For the 8 ounce HB Rocks, this is a 2.875 diameter. It holds approximately 6.2 ounces of wax. For your soy container waxes, we would recommend using the Eco 8. And for the single pour paraffin waxes, container waxes, we recommend using the LX 20. For the 11 ounce HB Rocks, which is one of our most popular containers that we carry, this has a diameter of 3.125 inches, and it holds approximately 8.6 ounces of wax. For your soy container wax, we would recommend using the Eco 10, and then for the single pour paraffins, the LX 21 is what we would recommend. Now jumping on to the 13 ounce HB Rocks, this container has a diameter of 3.125 inches, a wax capacity of about 10.9 ounces, and for the soy container waxes, we would recommend using the Eco 10, and for the single pour paraffin waxes, it's going to be the LX 21. Now for the old-fashioned HB Rocks, this container has a max diameter of 3.375. It's going to be wider on the top than it is at the bottom, but we want to wick it for the widest diameter. The wax capacity on this container is 8.6 ounces. For your soy container waxes, we would recommend using the Eco 12. And then for the single pour paraffin waxes, we recommend the LX 22. Now for the universal tumbler, this one has a diameter of 2.75 inches, can hold about 6.4 ounces of wax. And for the soy container waxes, we recommend using the Eco 8. And for your single pour paraffin waxes, we recommend the LX 20. As you can see, we've got a really great collection of these tumblers, and this is a very popular style container for a lot of different candle makers. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this week. Come back next week and we'll show you more.